Welcome to Chapter 8 Personal Economy. In this video, we will explore income and expenses, budgeting and financial planning, saving and investments, loans, interest rates. So let's dive in. Personal finance, income and expenses. Income refers to all money received in a bank account, such as salary from an employer, benefits or other payments from NAV, example unemployment benefits, disability benefits, child benefit for children under 18, cash for care benefit for young children not in kindergarten, pension for retirees or disabled individuals. Expenses include everything we spend money on, such as rent or mortgage payments, food and groceries, electricity, internet, and mobile subscriptions, transportation, bus, train, car expenses, clothing, shoes, and hygiene products, leisure activities and entertainment, gross salary, salary before tax deductions, net salary, salary after tax deductions. Family economy in Norway. The cost of living in Norway is high, and most families need two incomes to cover expenses. Some parents work reduced hours when their children are young, part-time work. Most people receive their salary or benefits once a month. Families with children under 18 receive child benefit to help cover expenses. Parents of children between 1 and 2 years old who do not attend kindergarten may receive cash for care benefits. Bank accounts. All adults in Norway have a bank account to receive salary or benefits. Many children and teenagers also have bank accounts. To open an account, you need a Norwegian personal number or D number. Online banking. Online banking makes it easy to track income and expenses. You can pay bills, transfer money, and check your balance. Accessible via computer, tablet, or smartphone. Requires bank ID or a security token to log in. Bank loans. It is common to take out a bank loan for large purchases such as housing or cars. A repayment plan outlines how much must be paid back each month or quarter. Principal payment, the portion of the loan that is repaid regularly. Interest, the cost of borrowing money, calculated as a percentage of the remaining debt. Interest and principal payments are usually made monthly or quarterly. Budgeting. A budget helps track and manage personal finances. Can be created for a month or a longer period. Includes an overview of income and expenses. Should include an amount for savings and unexpected expenses. Used by both individuals and businesses. Housing in Norway. Number of homes. There are between 2.7 and 3 million homes in Norway. About half of them are detached houses. In large cities like Oslo, many homes are in apartment buildings. In smaller municipalities, most homes are detached houses. Owning versus renting. Around 82% of households own their home. 18% rent their home. Types of housing. Owner-occupied housing, example, detached house, privately owned apartment. You own the property yourself. You can renovate and rent it out without asking for permission. You are responsible for all costs, including municipal fees, water, sewage, waste collection, home insurance, maintenance expenses, cooperative housing, borettslag. You own a share in the housing cooperative. You have the exclusive right to use your apartment but must follow the cooperative's rules. You pay monthly rent, which covers your share of the cooperative's common debt, municipal fees, home insurance, financing a home, You finance the home entirely on your own or with a bank loan. Homes are expensive, and most people need a bank loan to buy one. Loan requirements. You cannot borrow the full purchase price. You must have at least 15% of the price as savings, equity. The bank can lend 85% of the purchase price. To get a loan, you must have a stable income or other financial security. The bank must be sure you can pay loan installments and interest. Loans are repaid monthly over many years. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped you prepare for the social studies test. Remember, every bit of practice brings you closer to success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content. Your support means a lot and keeps us motivated to create more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you.